Article. Article for school magazine/newsletter. The importance of studying English. In spite of government's clear call to students to study English well, many students still show very little interest in studying the language. As chairperson of the English Language Society, you are going to try to persuade the students to study the language by writing an article in the school newsletter. In the article you have to tell the students the importance of studying the language. Your article is given in the point form below. Will help you to further your studies. Will help you to get a job. Will help you in your job. Will help you in your travels. Will help you to enjoy many interesting programs in television. Will help you to appreciate many of the world's most beautiful literary works. It is a big concern for teenagers nowadays as they are unaware of the importance of English language as they tend to ignore to learn the language. Students' attitude towards the language is also crucial to make sure that these teenagers can face the future world better by learning English language as it is an international language. Although the government has repeatedly told us of the importance of English, many students are still not bothered about studying it seriously. There is also a campaign that's still on to make all the Malaysian becomes a better English learner, which is enhance proficiency in Bahasa Malaysia, strengthen the English. English is the most important and the most useful language in the world today. There are many reasons why you should study the language properly. First and foremost, English will definitely help you a lot when you want to further studies. Almost all books at university are written in English in all subjects. Plus, it is a compulsory for any candidate to pass English with credit before entering any universities. So, if you are poor in English, you will blow your chance for better education, or worse, you are going to have a big problem studying at university. The second reason why you have to study English well is that it will help you to get a job. When you go for a job interview, the interviewer will surely talk to you in English. The first impression you should give in order to success and have the job is to respond in English fluently. Your chances of getting the job are very slim if you stutter while interviewing. A good command in of English will also help you greatly in your job. If the company you work is actively involved in international trade, you have to speak to prospective customers in English. Miscommunication might occur if your English is bad. And this will put your company at risk and you will likely be dismissed if this happen. Good English will also help you a lot when you travel. Every country in the world studies English. Even the roadside stall holders in China speak fairly good English. At least some of the people you meet on your travels in other countries can understand English. The language is certainly practical when you are lost in your trip. Communication problem will not happen if you can converse well in English. Inevitably, English is one of the languages used in any airport in the world in making announcement. Knowing English well, therefore, make traveling overseas easier. Besides all these, entertainment is one of the major advantages you will experience if you good in English. You will enjoy television's best programs. We must admit that many of the best programs are produced by the Americans and British companies. High self-confidence influenced by the programs will indirectly inculcate in yourself when you are fluent in the language. Quality time is worthily spent if you understand and enjoy the programs. Based from all the above elaboration, I hope that students will see the importance and realize how important the language is for their own future. Although it is a second language in our country, it is now a main language all over the world.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.